If you want to work faster in PowerPoint and keep your slides organized, learning how to group objects is a simple trick that can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to group objects in PowerPoint using two easy methods, including the fastest keyboard shortcut and the right-click menu. This is perfect for grouping shapes, images, icons, text boxes, and other elements so you can move them together, resize them together, and format them all at once. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get into it. The first method is the fastest one, and it uses your keyboard. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and going to the slide where your objects are located. Now hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. While holding Ctrl, click on each object you want to group. You can select multiple shapes, pictures, text boxes, or icons one by one. As you click each item, PowerPoint will keep them all selected at the same time. Once everything you want is highlighted, simply press Ctrl and G together on your keyboard. That's Ctrl plus G. As soon as you do that, PowerPoint turns those separate items into one grouped object. This means you can drag them together, resize them together, and keep their layout consistent without having to adjust each item individually. It's especially useful when you're building diagrams, timelines, mock-ups, or any slide with multiple parts that need to stay aligned. Now let's go to the second method, which is using the right-click menu. This is a great option if you prefer using the mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts. First, select the objects you want to combine. You can click one object, then hold Ctrl and click the others, just like before. Once the items are selected, right-click on one of the selected objects. A menu will appear. From that menu, look for Group, then move your mouse over it and click Group again. PowerPoint will instantly group the selected objects into one unit. This method does the same thing as the shortcut, but some users find it easier to remember because it uses the menu inside PowerPoint. And once your objects are grouped, you can treat them like a single element. If you need to edit one object inside the group later, just select the group, right-click it, and choose Ungroup. That gives you full flexibility whenever you need to make changes. Grouping is one of those small PowerPoint skills that makes a big difference, especially when you're trying to keep slides neat and easy to edit. It helps with alignment, speed, and consistency. And once you start using it, you'll probably use it all the time. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to group objects in PowerPoint.